and at the original bag and look at the condition of that.
Wow, everything's like perfect. Look at that.
You're engraved Mercedes.
This is the one. This is the one you gotta find.
6mm Inbus brand.
It has to say Inbus on it.
Inbus.
INBUS.
Whoa, we're gonna use it.
That is slick. Look at that.
Wow.
There you go.
That is neat.
It's like military bag.
It's got the gray. You can always tell the repros don't have the gray trim.
Is anybody trying to reproduce those bags yet?
Pardon me?
Has anybody tried to reproduce those bags
They
yet?
say that.
Oh yeah.
Are you serious?
The one that's on Bring a Trailer right now for sale from Germany is the fake bag. The bags are where the money is. If you want an original bag, I mean you can get them for about $100, the fake ones, but they look fake. They don't.
There you go, Bill.
The tie straps
Done. We can go
are going to be cotton herringbone, and that's how you can the fake ones. That's how you can tell the fake ones.
Nylon.
See how it's four
I see that, yeah.
rows of herringbone.
We're gonna have to knock a little off this kid's views stuff.
I'll get home quicker now.
Look at that.
And this is for the later ones. The 56. This is wrong for my car. For my car, it would have the outside coil. They call it a drive shaft version. It looks like a drive shaft, same as the 300 SL. They're real expensive. So I'm
Show them the little 12mm single-sided. That's always special. The 12mm single-sided deal.
different. And all the wrenches are going to be Dowdats except for the one double-ended. I'm missing. I've missed. Oh, there it is. You got the one. The 12 is a single end. It's also Dowdat. It's a single head.
What? Just save space or something in the bag, or?
I don't know. For some reason, why didn't they put a 13 on the other side?
Some of the finer points of our original toolkit.
These are going to say Felo, F-E-L-O on them. And they're, they call them pins. There's Slot and Phillips. They call them pins in the books.
The top of this linkage has been out for never been
That's what these little things are for.
What would this bring by itself?
Well, that's a fake paper. I've got two of them in the trunk. Got a couple $100. With the real paper, the ones I've sold are $1,000 to $1,300 with the real paper. This is a.
So it's real, but it's fake paper.
This is fake, and I'll show you something about it if I can get it out without it hurting it.
Yeah, don't damage it.
Right. This one's right. This one's going to try to
I'm saying I have a mine.
The fake ones are made on the Xerox machine in your office, and the backs are bright white.
Oh, okay.
I've just figured out how to make these, so they're still fake.
Yeah.
Each bend is perforated on a real one.
Okay.
I've figured out a way how to make these with the perforation, and it's tan on the back. But it's supposed to be the same on the back as the front, so you can see it's darker. I'll never tell anybody these are real, because they're not.
Yeah.
But they're closer to real than the ones almost everybody has, which is bright white on the back. And they just fold them. They don't have the perforation.
I gotcha.
Interesting.
And the early cars like mine, 55, 56, are 3-bar.
Is this whole fake, or is this whole part real?
Oh, the rest of this is all real.
Okay.
And it says Mesco Hauser and it says Mercedes.
Okay.
But the common, cheaper 3-bar comes on the 55 and the 56.
Okay.
And contrary to what a lot of people say, the rest of the cars are supposed to have 4-bar. If you look at the dealer parts book, it says right on there, 0.5 to 4-bar.
Okay.
But almost every kit that you see has a 3-bar. The 4 bars are about $400 or $500. The 3 bars like this by themselves like $100.
Oh.
They're common.
So the paper just gets rotted out basically, or?
No, there's only so many 190 SLs.
Okay.
Most of the ones I buy like this are going to have 180 or
Okay.
220.
Okay.
And I pitch the paper. Well, I save them.
Yeah.
And then you got a kit, a tool.
I could use one that says 180 on it.
Oh, you do?
I got my Ponton right there, so.
I'll give you one, a real one.
Yeah.
I'll give you one.
Okay.
Give me your name,
Okay.
because I don't have a use for them.
Yeah.
That paper, you mean?
The paper.
Yeah, paper. Yeah.
No, I got a Ponton. I like
Yeah,
it.
You're not going to give them the
No.
gauge, you mean?
I'll take the paper.
You know, I got.
I don't have the toolkit either, but I'm working on stuff, so.
Hey, that's what your original toolkit basically was like.
Yeah.
So the guy's probably got it in his grungy toolbox.
Right.
So the mouse living in it or something.
This kit, I've already put it on, but they're waiting to. It's in the queue. So if you're just curious,
Yeah.
you can
Okay.
watch it on Bring a Trail.
Yeah, that'd be interesting.
You know, who knows what? It's a gamble on there. The guy sold a 600 Pullman kit the other day that was beautiful.
Yeah.
And only brought $1,100. The guy from Germany.
Huh.
He lost it. It was terrible. The last one brought 4,000.
Oh.
His was better than that.
Yeah.